What's going on, everyone? So I gotta just say, man, this user of intellect person. Let me just tell you, if you've given these people, or I have nothing against Boss Blunts or Astro. They just got sold. Nothing's wrong with that. It happens to the best of us. What I have a problem with is user of intellect, the one that's pushing this, already combating any counterclaim against this idea as shill tactics. Well, your favorite shill here, Charlie's Vids, is going to break this down real quick just to show you how unprivate your information that you're sending this guy really is. So if we go to archive.org, we go to internetarchive.org, the Wayback Machine, right? We go here. Let's start from the top. You go to archive.org, you type in logthefloat.com, right? Now, if I'm a hedge fund, right, I'm already all over this. I see the social media trending. I got bots all over the community. I know what's going on. So I'm wanting to know, one of the critical things that I don't know is individual investor positions. I could use that to my advantage, to strategize around, to short ladder around, to do whatever I could do. And now, what has Ryan Cohen's motto been all year long? Basically, shut the hell up, buy and hold, right? We don't need to be giving people information like this, despite them saying that it's safe and it's protected. No one can see it. That's bullshit, because guess what? It's publicly available. So what we do is we go to logthefloat.com inside Wayback Machine. Once we search that, we can see it was saved 18 times between October 20th and November 9th. What we're going to do, go to the sitemap. You'll notice this little blue circle. It has little sections that are different parts of the website, right? Now, what's interesting is it looks like it's more AMC than GME. So we have, yet again, another AMC float collection attempt, which, number one, that's not how the float works. Number two, there's got to be an alternative motive here, because your information that you've given him is publicly available for anyone to see. What we're going to do is we're going to copy this. I'm going to paste it here. And voila. And I assume as this updates, more and more pictures are going to roll in. But yeah. It's publicly available. So I don't understand the point of this. So if you're cool with like anyone on the internet being able to find these pictures and pull them up, I mean, that's what's going to happen, because I literally just did this. And not only that, this person here has his account number up. So now you've given everyone your account information. That's terrifying. So now you've got to rely on the Wayback Machine scrubbing this from their website before this could be taken off. So just stay aware, everyone. Nothing magical is going to happen to start any kind of litigation on this. This would be laughed out of court as not admissible, because, again, free float is calculated once per year during the proxy voting period, which is why it was of crucial importance that we all voted this year. So, again, we need to stop listening to people who have, number one, no clue what they're doing, no clue what they're talking about, and number two, claim to be the messiah of whatever. Because how many people have done it this year? We've had several people come out of the woodwork, out of nowhere, with a magical product that's going to do X and X and X, when in reality, it's just a data harvesting vehicle. And as you can see here, publicly available account information, individual position sizes. I mean, for fuck's sake, people, let's get with the program. We got to stop doing this, okay? And I'm sorry I always got to be the guy that brings this up, but someone's got to do it. So anyways, hope you don't hate, but if you do, sorry, I don't know what to tell you. Have a good one.